Okay, so had the issue of the car not starting due to the steering lock. The module, I guess, gets stuck up in there. So seen a really cool YouTube video on the Ultima, but wanted to see if it worked on the Maxima. So I got a 2010 Maxima SV, and just to show if anyone's discouraged of taking off the panel just to get to the module. So just to show everybody really quick, just wanted to show this, taking a little light screwdriver, getting it in there. You may want to use something, you know, that may not damage, but if you're careful enough and just get it in there, boom, pulling it off, straight out, easy enough. The other screw to get the front panel off, see that screw right there? Point at it, boom, take that out. That's one of two screws that you have to get that front panel off. Pretty easy day. Okay, sorry about lighting. Okay, so ODB scanner, there's the second screw that goes onto that first one of two screws to get that panel off. Now, you probably don't need a demonstration on how to screw it in, but easy as that. So one of two screws, okay, and then the bottom panel. Took my hand there, and I'm not going to say it was this easy, because when you're taking these things out for the first time, it's never that easy, but pull straight out, getting it loose, come straight back over here, boom, dropped it out. And realistically, you can say I got this little pin here, and then there's a screw underneath it, and and this whole thing will come out, and you can slide this whole panel out to the side, and you'd be able to access the steering control lock right there, fairly easy. And all I did, took my hammer, and with that panel moving out of the way, gave it a couple whacks, press the button. Gave it a couple whacks, press the button around the side, all the way around it. You know, just kept pressing the button, boom, 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 and eventually it fired up. Fairly simple to do, minimal tools. Basically, it takes a couple of screws to get out, and I'll show that afterwards, but if you see, there's a few clips and how you pull this thing out. So clip here, clip here, clip here, basically all on the top. Clips there, tightened up. Put back in the fuse panel. Like it never happened. Alright, looks all flush mounted, nice and clean. Panel's all tight.